Hi, I'm Jody, and welcome. If your days feel long and your nights feel short, if you're tired all day and somehow wide awake at 3 a.m., this practice is for you. This is an evening wind down made for women in perimenopause and menopause. Nothing hard, nothing fancy, just simple movement and slow breathing that tell your body the day is over now. You'll need a mat and maybe a rolled towel. Do this in the hour before bed if you can. Let's begin. Come to a comfortable seat. Sit up tall, but let your shoulders be heavy. Close your eyes if that feels good. Rest your hands on your knees. Let's start with the breath that I share with all my students. I call it the 4-2-8. First, exhale everything. Let it all go. Now, breathe in through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently for 2. And breathe out slowly through your mouth like you're fogging up a mirror for 8. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. And out 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, in 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That long exhale is a message to your body. It says we're safe and we can rest now. Let's do one more round. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now let your right ear drop toward your right shoulder. Don't pull, just let the weight of your head do the work. Breathe here. Now slowly roll your chin down to your chest and over to the left side, ear to shoulder. Breathe. Come back to center. Now roll your shoulders up to your ears, back and down. And let's do that one more time. Up, back, and down. Now reverse to forward circles, nice and slow. Make sure you're lengthening up through your spine. Take one big breath in, bring your shoulders up to your ears, and sigh it out. Let it be loud. Nobody's judging, nobody's listening. All right, come to your hands and knees with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. As you breathe in to cow pose, lift your chest, your tailbone. Let your belly soften. Now breathe out, rounding your back, tucking your chin, and pressing the ground away from you. This is cat pose. Continue at your own pace, breathing in, opening up, and breathing out, rounding your back. Find a rhythm, find a pace that works for your breath and your body. Your spine has carried you all day. This is your thank you. After that final cat pose, we're coming to child's pose. Bring your big toes together, knees are nice and wide, and sink your hips back towards your heels. Arms are reaching forward, or stack your hands and rest your forehead on them. If it's hard to sit all the way back on your heels, you can take that folded up towel and place it under your hips for gentle support. Now allow your whole body to be heavy. If your mind is still running through the day, that's okay. Every time you notice a thought, just come back to your breath. That's the whole practice. Take 2 more slow breaths here. Come back to your hands and knees. Now step your right foot forward between your hands. Your back knee stays down, and you can pad it with a towel if you need that extra cushion. Hands can rest on the front thigh. We're going to sink those hips forward just a little bit, and you should feel a gentle stretch in the front of your left hip. We sit so much during the day. This is where that sitting lives. With every exhale, sink 1 small inch. Never force. Let's breathe. All right, switching sides. The left foot will come forward now, and the same thing here. We'll settle in, sink those hips, soften, and breathe. And gently come back to your hands and knees. Okay, come down onto your back and bend both knees with your feet on the mat. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh and gently flex the right foot. That might be enough right here. But if you're ready for more, reach through and hug your left thigh towards you. This is focusing on the outer hip. And for so many women, this is where the whole day gets stored. Breathe into it. Long, slow exhales. For a little more depth, you can gently press the right leg away and move your legs from side to side to get that perfect space for a stretch. All right, slowly release and switch sides. Left ankle over the right thigh, gently flexing your foot and starting to settle in. I like to move around a little bit in this posture until I really feel that nice, deep, warm stretch in my body. Again, as you pull the legs in, you can press that left leg away a little bit to increase the stretch, and also moving your legs and hips from one side left to right, to really get into it. One side is usually a little louder than the other, and that's normal. Just breathe with it. All right, after that next exhalation, release both feet to the mat. All right, come back up to sitting and take your legs wide into a straddle, as wide as it feels friendly in your body. Walk your hands forward and let your head hang. Bend your knees here as much as you need to. You can sway a little side to side if that feels good in your body. Allow your neck to be completely loose. Let the day drain out of your head. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax your entire body just a little more. Now very slowly, roll yourself back up. All right, lie back down and bring both knees into your chest. Pause for a moment, feeling the gentle weight on your lower back, the gentle stretch. Now drop both knees over to the right, open your arms nice and wide. You can look up or turn your head in the opposite direction of your knees. There's nowhere to go and nothing to fix. Let's breathe. All right, come back to center. Give yourself a little squeeze as you hug your knees in. And then rock gently side to side, giving your low back a gentle massage. Let's switch sides now, dropping your knees over to the left, keeping your gaze straight up or looking in the opposite direction of those knees. Adjust anything you need to, and then be still and heavy, focusing again on your breathing. Good. Take a nice deep breath in. And let's come back to center. Once again, hugging your knees and rocking gently side to side. All right, place your feet back on the mat. Now bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees open wide into reclined bound angle or butterfly pose. And if your hips are complaining a little bit, just slide that towel under one or both knees. Also, sliding your feet further away from your hips can ease a little bit of that discomfort. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Feel your breath moving under your hands and start to slow it down just a little more. This is what rest feels like. Your body remembers. All right, bring your knees together and back into your chest, and then stretch your legs long. Bring your arms to your side, your feet to the corners of your mat. Allow your feet to fall open and turn your palms up. We'll finish with a short body scan, the same one I use on nights when my sleep is a little shy. Bring your attention to your toes. You don't have to do anything, just notice them and let them get heavy. Your feet heavy. Your legs heavy, sinking into the ground. Your hips, your belly soft. Your chest, your belly rising and falling all on its own. Your hands, arms, your shoulders melting down. Your jaw, unclench it. Your forehead is smooth. Now begin to slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. You can remain in a reclined position or make your way up to a comfortable seated position. Thank you for practicing with me tonight. If sleep is a struggle for you right now, I made something for you. It's called the 3 a.m. Reset, a free 7-night plan for menopause sleep. One small practice each night. The link is right below in the description. And if this practice helped, subscribe and leave me a comment. Tell me how you feel right now in one word. I read every single one. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you next time on the mat.